Good morning, children. Today we start online class for class 6. In this class, we are going to discuss exercise 1.5. Children, first problem from exercise 1.5. The number of people who visited Commonwealth Games in New Delhi for the first 4 days means Commonwealth Games are going on in New Delhi. Our India's capital, New Delhi. In that particular place, Commonwealth Games are going on. Okay. For the first 4 days. Means many more days. For the first 4 days means the number of people who visited for the first 4 days. Only first 4 days was recorded as like this. First day 15,290 and second day 14,181 and third day 14,235 and fourth day 10,578 members were visited to see the Commonwealth Games happening in New Delhi. Right now, here the main question: find the total number of people visited in these 4 days. Understand, children? Means in the Commonwealth Games, for the first 4 days, how many number of people came to see the games was recorded like this: 15,000, 14,000, 14,000, 10,000, 58, 578, like that. Right now he is asking find the total number of people visited in these 4 days. At these 4 days, how many number of people visited? He is asking. Before doing some, I am going to give one example. You may know that every year in the month of May, which game? IPL game. Indian Premier League has been running. Means every year in the month of May. In this year, no IPL. So in at the beginning of IPL ceremony and the next 1, 2, 3, 4 days, they will give like this on the screen: attendance. Okay, children. Today's attendance: 55,000 people came to see or came to glance the match. Which match? CSK versus Mumbai Indians. Like this they will appear on the screen like this. Today's attendance means 55,000 people has visited to see the Chennai versus Mumbai game. Understand, children? And after a week, means after the ceremony of the IPL, first ceremony, later after the 1 week they'll give total 1 week attendance like this: 5,46,398, like that. Overall for the whole week they'll give attendance like this. Here too in the question the people came like this for the first day, second day, third day and fourth day. He is saying find the total number, means total number. Understand, children? He is asking the total number to find on these 4 days. He is asking. Right now, keep solution. See solution. Number of people visited on first day equal to, write the number of people who came on first day. What's the value? 15,290. Next, number of people who visited number of people visited on second day equal to, see, 14,181. Next, number of people visited on third day What's the value? 14,235. And number of people visited on fourth day. What's the value for the fourth day? 10,578 members came to see the match. 10,578. Right now he is asking find total number of people. He is asking to find the total number of people visited in these 4 days. Means we have to add all these numbers. See, for this, from the right side means ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. You have to come from the right side, that is ones place. 0 plus 1 how much? 1. 1 plus 5? 6. 6 plus 8 how much, children? 14. See here 1, I'm dropping 1 here and the value 4 here. Next, coming to the tens place. In the place of tens, the value is 9. 9 plus 8 how much? 17. 17 plus 3 20. 20 plus 7 27 plus 1 28. 2 here and 8 here. Next, in the place of hundreds, the value is 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 2 12. 1 on the thousands place and 2 here. Next, coming to the thousands place, the value is 5. 5 plus 4 9. 9 plus 4 how much? 13. 13 plus 0 13. 13 plus 1 14. 1 in the 10,000 place and 4 here. And in the place of 10,000 the value is 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 1 5. See, we got the overall value as 54,284. This was the total number of people who visited on all these 4 days, children. Understand? Total means we find out the value for the number of people visited in these 4 days. We have to write like this: total number of people visited in these 4 days. You have to write this value, children. That is nothing but 54,284. Children, this was the value 54,284 members present in all these 4 days, children. We will discuss the next few sums in the next class, children. Thank you, children.